landed and action. First trip to Hatenohama, this very long sand strip that changes shape with the tide, so it becomes larger or smaller, and it is considered the most beautiful beach of entire Japan. I loved it so much because there is ocean on both sides and you can surely find a private spot, like there was nobody around me and I could take my hundreds, thousands photos. It is very natural. There are very limited facilities, like just one toilet and then a booth where you can buy some food, minimum food and drinks. And a typhoon was approaching, so the wind was strong when I was there. However, the sun was always with us, scorching and making the ocean really turquoise and the sky blue. So it was the most amazing experience in Okinawa this summer. So we can see the corals. And there are many corals. White sandbar and nothing. Hey, this is the boat. So pretty. Nice colors. Paradise. It's united! So now we can walk! Okay, ocean! Just me and my photo booth. My turquoise photo booth and nothing else. Wow! Hatenohama beach. Had such an amazing swim here in this, just next to my photo shooting space. Wow, like just swimming in the same spot, like a muscle training instead of like swimming out there and then getting lost. Just trying to stay on the same spot because the wind is really strong and the waves are strong. Fantastic. Oh my goodness, what a paradise. This totally looks like a sandwich. See, in between this ocean and that ocean, and then we have some sand here. So let's call it sand sandwich. One thing that looks really cool is how the waves are twirling here, and it makes me think that this is how they make those round holes in rocks, like in cliffs. swirling waves. About $50, and they bring you such a ship here, and there are such toys that you could rent, and jet ski. There's a white crab here. Hello guy. Do you want to be my dinner? Or do you want bread? Either or. Very flat white crab. Hello. Hey. Sea turtles here. I was just not speedy enough to film it, and it's not as easy to see them from above as it would be if we would dive in the ocean. So many fishes! So cute, our ship looks like a fish itself.